What's up guys, this is Matt from SVG Tapes, and in today's video we're going to be doing a Speed3 point of view video. We're going to be jumping on some back roads, going to do some highway action and probably some launches. Give you guys the full experience of my Speed3. If you haven't seen the Speed in any other videos, check out our build breakdown of the Speed3. I'll link it down in the description. Makes about 21 pounds of boost, that's what it holds. Peaks like 23. It's a B&RS3 turbo, extra wastegate out the hood. Split in half, but it's a ripper. It's probably gonna slip in third. The highway is gonna be the most enjoyable part of it. Back roads are still sick though. Such good noises. Making some great blow-off valve sounds for you. And that flutter. We'll start with the cold start. Quick under the hood. Guys, what we're working with. Nothing special. I need to paint everything under here. Oh god, water. Yeah. If you guys are excited to see the Speed, make sure you click the like button, subscribe for more Speed3 content. We have our other cars, the S2000, Corey's IS300. If you guys want to support us in any more ways, we got our hats coming out. Seasonal beanies are back. Just drop a comment or hit us on our Instagram at 7 Valleys Garage. We'll reach out. Yeah, we'll catch you in the back roads. We'll let her get warm. That's ridiculous. one of my favorite sections around here. It's so fun. And we go back. If you guys are enjoying the video so far, make sure you smash that like button. Subscribe. We upload every Wednesday, 11 a.m. right at noon. Yeah, hope you enjoyed the Backroads content. We'll see you on the highway. Windy. A Super E for dinner. It's just a WRX. He's got a hitch on there too. I don't think that'd be much of a competition. Damn, dude, we got traffic. Mr. Subaru's gone. That was a gnarly one. Oh, he's coming up. He's coming up. He's coming back.
hold your turn.
Alright boys, I'm gonna get some launches here for you. Probably just 1 or 2 because we all know what's gonna happen. It's just gonna spin an atrocious amount. So, maybe some flames, but it's daytime, so you're not gonna be able to see them. But do it for you, even though my tires are almost cording.
Yeah, handling like a beast. First gear got really weird. Let's only do that once. I just knew it was gonna spin, so I tried to pedal it, but pedaling front wheel drive gets way wild.
It was like on off, on off. God damn, I wonder what those people were thinking. It's always a blast driving this car. If you guys enjoyed watching the POV, want any more POVs, or you can get like exhaust specific clips or blow off valve specific videos, any of the other boys videos you want to see, the S2000, the IS300, Brandon's WRX, just drop it in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for weekly uploads every Wednesday, and hit up our Instagram, 7 Valleys Garage, for daily content. We can connect with you a lot easier through Instagram. We're doing a 500 subscriber giveaway. Stay tuned on the details for that. We're going to make a whole video dedicated to that, a short little one. And then also a video on our Instagram. It's a good reason to follow that. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. We'll see you in the next one.